Hi, y'all. Welcome back to Final Boss Auto Hub. And today I just wanted to get into one of the new rumors I've been hearing and an interesting topic. And it's basically about Nissan and Honda. They have been quietly still talking and trying to do some strategic planning. And one is specifically over, can they develop the GTR and NSX on the same platform? So the North American Nissan Senior Vice President in Chief Pons Pendatora revealed that the discussions between Honda and Nissan are still ongoing, and the possibility of platform sharing for their next-gen NSX and GTR is still on the table at this point in time. While he was talking to The Drive during an interview, he basically rhetorically asked a question. Does he think that the NSX and the GTR can basically be worked on and created together while both standing what they stand for Nissan and what it stands for Acura, and not be direct clones? He said absolutely. Mr. Pendatora was basically keen to point out that while the merger talks have pretty much faded and died down, they have still been strategically planning and maybe doing a strategic partnership between Honda and Nissan in August of 2024, and it's still alive and well. Ivan Espinosa, who is now the CEO of Nissan, was the lead during those merger talks, and he just never stopped talking to Honda at that point in time. So now that he's the CEO, it's just that Nissan and Honda actually doing something together in the future is just way more of a possibility than it was before with the previous CEO. In quotation, Mr. Pendatora basically stated that we need collaboration. If we're going to succeed, we need partnerships to deliver vehicles, and I think partnerships are going to be a key part of our future. End quote. So essentially, just to break this down, Honda and Nissan are basically trying to plan and maybe think of a partnership where they can develop certain cars together. Although they're not trying to do the merger anymore in any case, but they still believe they can work together and collaborate on different vehicles. In my opinion, I think this is a great idea for both Acura and Nissan. I think this will basically help both companies save money by designing and sharing the same platform, and it will just cut some costs. I also feel like it will add something that both companies are lacking. Like for me, Acura used to be known as a fast car. They had the Type S line. They were kind of daring. They were pushing the envelope with both Nissan and Toyota at the time. And I think although they did a good job with the TLX Type S, they're still lacking certain things in regards to the performance department. And I feel like working with Nissan, maybe Nissan can share some of their heritage, some of their tech, some of their philosophies, and help Acura get over that hump and finally develop an actual fast car in those lower segments that people would love to buy in the Type S brand. And I feel like for Nissan, they can learn from Honda and Acura of how to basically create more reliable cars. Back in the day, Nissan was up there with Honda and Toyota in terms of reliability, but as of these last 10 years, their reliability has pretty much went down the drain. So I feel like collaborating with Honda on certain projects can bring up the reliability for their cars and get the brand back to where it needs to be. So there's a lot of pros in collaborating on certain vehicles with each other for both companies. Especially, my opinion is, I think the days of designing and developing cars in-house may be over, or may become niche, or only done by like rich companies that can really do it without any issues. Especially during these economic times and times of extreme tariffs that we're all dealing with. And I feel like I would not be surprised if more car companies create mergers or decide to collaborate more often to save money and share some tech that they're lacking. So, I think we should pretty much start getting used to this idea of car companies either creating mergers or collaborations to cut certain corners and save some more money in their pockets to continue to develop a profit. the things that I'm saying is not far-fetched if you really think about it. I mean, collaborations with cars has been happening for many years if you think about it. You have Toyota and Subaru. They basically did the BRZ and the AE86 together. Basically the same design. It's on the same chassis. The cars look alike, similar engines, top speed, tech, nothing really different. You have a Subaru badge and then you have a Toyota badge. So, Toyota did that. BMW and Toyota also worked together to create the Z4 and the Supra. They share the same chassis and platform and engine platform, and that's been fruitful for both companies. And if you even dig even deeper, you got Alfa Romeo. The Giulia Quadrifoglio has a Ferrari 2.9 liter V6. I mean, if you ever wanted a four-door Ferrari, this might be the closest thing to it. So when you really break it down, collaborations between different car companies is way more common than you think. There's a lot of companies that are still collaborating and still creating cars till this day. So I think if not Honda, but if Nissan is smart, I think if they go in that route with collaborating with Honda to create certain cars, it will cut some costs, bring back some prestige to the legendary brand, and get them out of the gutter where they are right now. So I think there's a lot of promise and pros if Nissan was to really do this with Honda. And if you really dig into it, right, there's more information. Like with the Nissan GTR, they believe that it will come out between 3 to 5 years from now using a hybrid engine. And let's think about it. Acura had the NSX, which is basically your everyday sport supercar. It's hella fast, but it has a hybrid engine plant. So as you can see, Acura is not foreign to using hybrid technology to create supercars. Nissan is kind of trying to do that route with the GTR, so why not work with Acura to do that? So I'm excited. I think we all should be excited that these things are happening. For those that I've been reading your comments about this issue that's totally against it, I don't see why. I know you guys are brand purists, but Nissan is struggling right now. So any help they can get to keep them out of the gutter while still developing fast, fire-ass cars, they should do it. They should do it. And as you guys being brand purists, you should want your brand to pretty much get technology from other folks that can improve the brand that you love so much. If you're watching this video, thank you for watching it. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let's have a debate. I want to know what you guys think about this. I would love to have a debate with somebody. I think it's a good idea. If you don't, I would like to hear why. But thank you guys for tuning in. This is another episode of Final Boss Auto Hub. We got more stuff coming. Just stay tuned. Final Boss out.